Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add or change the login password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. To begin, press the Windows key plus I key on your keyboard, or right-click the Windows icon and select Settings. Now, click on Accounts. Then select Sign In Options. Here, you'll find the Password section. If you don't already have a password, click the Add button. Type a strong password. Confirm it. Then enter a password hint. Click Next, and finally, click Finish. Now let's look at changing it. Under the Password section, you'll see a Change option instead of Add. Click Change, enter your current password. Type your new password just like before. Hit Next, and click Finish. And that's it. You've successfully learned one method to add or change your Windows login password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching.